On the departure of Sir Walter Scott from Abbotsford for Naples, by William Wordsworth. A trouble, not of clouds or weeping rain, nor of the setting sun's pathetic light, engendered, hangs o'er Eildon's triple height. Spirits of power assembled there complain for kindred power departing from their sight. While Tweed, best pleased in chanting a blithe strain, saddens his voice again, and yet again. Lift up your hearts, ye mourners, for the might of the whole world's good wishes with him goes. Blessings and prayers in nobler retinue than sceptred king or laurelled conqueror knows. Follow this wondrous potentate. Be true, ye winds of ocean, and the midland sea, wafting your charge to soft Parthenope.